Charlie Cushane here to do another truck camper mod. This time, it's something that happens with most campers. It's when their black tank sensors stop working. And mine have stopped working years ago, and I thought the only way to fix it was to replace them. But I recently found a chemical named Restore It. And we're going to try that today, so stick around. Okay, the first step of the operation is we have to dump our black tank. And I just went camping last weekend, so we have to now get this all set up. Okay, black tank is being flushed. I've let this run for at least 20 minutes, and you can see that water is really clear coming out of my black tank. All right, nothing coming out. And if you go on the inside here of my back compartment, you can hear it. It's very aggressive, you hear. And there's the sensors way back here, which are not easy to get to. So that's why I'm going to try doing this with the chemical. And as you can see, there's the pipe from the toilet. See, it comes down on an angle. So the only way to fill my tank, which is one of the things I have to do, I have to fill it that whole pipe until I can see it in the toilet. Inside my chalet truck camper is the control panel, and the black always reads full. So I'm just showing it to you with an empty tank. See all the sensors still clogged up? So next I'll put chemicals in the black. Yeah. So now we wait until the black tank is full and I can see it in the toilet. I'll keep you informed as we go. As you can see, the water way down there. So it is, the tank is completely full. Whew. Now to add the Restore It. The directions say add this Restore It. This is 32 ounces, add 16 ounces, so half of it. Hold it up and see. Not more. All right. We'll let that go in. And they say let it sit for 12 to 72 hours, so 3 days from now. No amount of time is too long. The longer, the better. So there you go. I got to let it wait for 3 days. I'll see you in 3 days. Okay, as you look down, you can see the water down there. So it's been over 72 hours and the tank has been full. So let's go dump it and see if the sensors, how they're reading. Per the directions, it says dump the black tank. So we're going to do that. Here we go. And then it says flush it for 30 minutes. So we'll have to do that as well. I'll start the flush. There we go. Now we'll have to wait and see. Flush it for 30 minutes, they say, then we'll check the sensor. Okay, we're back inside the camper and the big test. We want to check the black tank and see if all the three lights are off. Well, it worked actually pretty good. The full and 2/3 went off, but the 1/3 is still on. So I can actually live with that. That's pretty good because I only worry if it gets over 2/3 or closer to full. So this is a success for me. That cleaner did work. I would recommend it instead of changing your sensors. See ya.